This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, March the 11th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have the trough axis moving out of the state into the western Great Lakes and the Mississippi River Valley, and a lot of energy with that system. And it'll be taking the snow away. The surface low will be up in the northern part of the lower peninsula of Michigan. Still could see some flurries or light snow showers today, an accumulation of maybe up to a dusting during the daytime hours with highs in the 30s. That continues even into Tuesday, especially in our northeastern and eastern counties of the state. Otherwise, partly to mostly sunny skies with highs a little bit warmer in the 30s to near 40, cooler in the snow-packed areas. Then we head to Wednesday. High pressure will be overhead. We may have a cool morning Wednesday morning, especially in areas with heavy snowfall in the northern and western counties, with highs climbing back into at least the 30s to near 40 once again. Then we move on to Thursday. The winds switch around to the south and west. We should see maybe mid to upper 30s in snowpack areas to maybe lower to middle 40s elsewhere, with some nice breezes out of the south and west. Heading into Friday, we should see 40s statewide, or maybe close to 40. Otherwise, sunshine, maybe a few increased clouds across the northern counties with that storm system moving along the U.S.-Canadian border. Heading off into the weekend, that system bypasses the state to our north and northeast. That could bring a sprinkle or a shower on Friday night into Saturday. Otherwise, it remains fair at best, with highs in the 30s and 40s. And Sunday, we have another system coming in, that could bring us some rain showers, maybe a wintry mix depending on the time of day it occurs, with highs mainly in the 30s to lower 40s. And a week from today, next Monday, now we have a trough over the west and a ridge over the east. A southwesterly flow aloft with some energy coming around the base of that over the desert southwest. That'll put us in prime position for some rainfall around here. 540 line is way to the north. With a low pressure developing in southeastern Colorado, we could maybe even see some embedded thunder with these showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. A couple days after that, on the 22nd, we have an upper level feature over western Ontario with some energy and a trough axis just to our west. And with the southwesterly flow aloft once again, that'll keep us, somewhat active. The 540 line down into the state, so any precipitation would be rain and snow, but little if any on this run. And then we move ahead to the end of the forecast on the 26th. Now we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country. Big upper level feature moving into the California and Oregon coastline. And with this fairly fast pattern, we could see some quick moving storm systems with warmer temperatures, a lot of the cold air being shunted up into Canada. So temperatures likely in the 30s and 40s, and lows mainly in the 20s. The satellite image from last evening showed the comma-shaped cloud, the storm system located over the southeastern part of Iowa at the time, with the snow, and sometimes heavy at times, from Iowa into Minnesota and Wisconsin, with some showers and maybe a few embedded thunderstorms to the south. The watch warning map from last evening showed the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings from eastern Nebraska through Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, into the UP of Michigan. Also some flood issues across the area as well, and elsewhere fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation across the state will fall in the next 24 hours, and most of it in the form of snow, heavier rain to the south and east and off to the west.